To talk to you about descaling truck mounts. So many contractors call us every single week asking simple questions. I'm losing heat. I've got low flow coming out of my truck mount or my extractor. The heat exchanger in my portable no longer works. It's plugged. Something's going on. Many areas throughout the United States are hard water areas. They're known hard water areas. So as we heat up hard water into a heat exchanger, into a coil, it's natural for that coil to attract the minerals that are in the water that stick to the insides of those coils, thus over time shrinking and shrinking and shrinking the inner diameter of that coil till we've reduced the flow or at some point eventually close the flow. Once that coil is completely plugged, it's extremely difficult to fix it. Usually that coil is going to have to be replaced, especially on a portable extractor. Grease Magic has an outstanding descaling agent. It's called Grease Magic Descale Safe, and the name really speaks for itself. It's very easy to use. It's very safe to use. It is a sulfamic acid. What they've done to it to make it really bulletproof and simple is they've made it a very dark, I believe it's a dark green color. Now, why do they do that? They do that so when you add it and run it through your system, it's a dark color. So let me give you an example. We take our portable or our truck mounted extractor. We run it, we get the heat exchanger till it's warm or hot. We drain the system. We put in the Descale Safe into that system. We run it through the system until it's actually coming out of the wand or the hose with the dark color, where you can actually see the dark color of the product. We shut down the equipment. We let it sit for 10, 15, 20 minutes, depending on the amount of descaling we want to do. When that is finished, we simply start the equipment up, we run fresh water through the system, and we continue to run fresh water through the system until the dark green color that's coming out of the equipment, it becomes clear. There's no more dye, if you will, coming out of the equipment. Now, what you're going to find as you dump this into a bucket, you're going to see all kinds of foam and discoloration and different things. That's basically the hard water, the minerals, and the junk coming out of your system. So we're then taking that partially closed inner diameter of that coil and we're basically reopening it again. So what happens is as water flows through that coil, it's not up against a hard mineral deposit, it's actual water against pipe again, against coil. So the transfer of heat energy that goes from that copper or stainless steel coil to your water flow that flows through that coil, you get much better transfer of energy, heat energy from the coil to the water. And then again, you start seeing the increase back to your truck mount of hotter water temperatures, et cetera, et cetera. So this is absolutely outstanding product to use. It is the product that is used in NewTek Zone when people come to get descaled at our repair shop. This is what we use. It's just that simple. There are other products on the marketplace. We have yet to have found one that descales as good as this one, as fast as this one, when it doesn't damage the machine. We've found no damage to the equipment whatsoever. Follow the instructions. If you were to leave any descaler in a machine and forget about it, leave it overnight or something, yeah, you could probably, the acids would probably erode at some of the pump heads or maybe some of the soft materials like some of the seals and such. But if you follow the directions and do it correctly, we've seen no damage to the pumps, to the fittings. In fact, quite the opposite. We've seen absolute clean running machines, happy customers, super simple to use. And depending on the level of your hard water in your area, if you're on well water, you may have to do this once a month or every 3 months or what have you. If you're on clean city water, like we are here in Berkeley, Michigan, you may only have to do this once or twice a year. But consider this as a product to keep your equipment running clean and running strong. It's called Grease Magic Descale Safe. Their website is www.greasemagic.com. Check out their products. They make great stuff. I think you'll be real happy with this product. If you have any questions, you're welcome to call me. My name is Brian Holter. My number direct is 800-435-5868. Again, 435-5868. Be glad to answer any questions I can on this product for you. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.